I'm Rushka, environmental activist, and I'm here to say to all of you who are taking part in the nationwide picket South Africa to get Roundup out of Builders Warehouse this coming Saturday. I wanted to say to you, respect and love and thank you for stepping out of your comfort zones. Thank you for getting off your butts. I know it's not easy to be an activist. I know it's not easy to put yourselves out there, but it's so important that we do so. In many countries, Roundup has been banned, and that's because of public pressure, and that's because of people that have woken up and decided to make their voices heard. To all of the conveners in the different cities with passion and with love and with fire and have devoted their time and their efforts to making a big picket, thank you and respect to you. I know how much passion you have, how fiery you are for this cause. So thank you. And to all of you who are not in one of the cities that you can find on the March Against Monsanto South Africa page where their events are, if you're not close to one of those, that's fine. If you take 14 of your friends, you can go to any Builders Warehouse and you can picket as long as you're on public property and you keep the peace and you don't burn things down, people. No burning stuff down. This is peaceful picket. As long as you do that, it's within your rights to do so. You don't have to do what we do and get your forms. If you're under 15 people, you can picket wherever you are. Nobody can move you as long as you're on public property. So you have no excuses. You can also go into a Builder's Warehouse and take a selfie with a mask with a Roundup behind you and post it onto our page so that we can see how many stores actually stock this stuff. That's another thing that you can do. Very important. Remember to tweet on the day. We're doing a Twitter storm. Hashtag Roundup out. Very important. Second most important thing, take lots of photographs, post them up onto the March Against Monsanto South Africa page so that we can acknowledge your efforts, so that we can send the photos to the press who are very interested in this cause. And if you're sitting at home and you can't go anywhere, you can still do something. On Saturday, tweet away. Hashtag Roundup out. I'd like to recognize all the movements and the organizations that are backing and supporting this. March Against Monsanto, No GMO South Africa, African Center for Biosafety, Organic Emporium, Integrity, Food Sovereignty Movement, all of the health sectors and the people that are coming and supporting this movement. We want to clean South Africa. We're going to do it. We're going to do it by taking a stand. So, to all of you, I will be at the Port Elizabeth picket. To the rest of you that are around South Africa, I'm going to be there with you in spirit. One love.